What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you an overview of the Sugar CRM platform and their features and benefits. Sugar CRM is a CRM platform, that's customer relationship management platform, that can help you grow your business via your contacts and lists. So here you want to go to SugarCRM.com and you will land on this page right here. That's their homepage. They will give you like an overview of the platform. They say that they are the world's most loved CRM platform, and they give you some overview and like some features, and they are trusted by millions worldwide, including like Sennheiser's and some other major companies. And here you can get like some benefits, so like Salesforce automation, marketing automation, and customer service platform here, as well as some statistics. And you can see here that they tell you they have integrations with lots of popular services, so like LinkedIn, Zoom, Slack, and Dropbox, and so on. So here, so this platform promises like great services for your customer relationship. And here you can view the CRM solutions. They offer some solutions like marketing automation and sales automation. That's the Sugar Market and Sugar Sell here. Customer service, that's the Sugar Serve, and one premise CRM, that's the Sugar Enterprise. And here we will go and have a look at their pricing in a moment, but here they have service and support. They tell you why you can choose them here, their partners, resources here, about, and so on. So let's have a look at their pricing. You can see here they have like some plans for their services that we saw earlier. So the market here starts at $1,000 USD, and you can also change here the currency, so USD, Great Britain pound, and euro. The serve plan starts at $80, and the sell plan starts at $49 here. And you can see some like features of each plan, and the enterprise plan starts at $85. You can contact sales for to subscribe to each plan, and you can click here to learn more or watch demo for each plan here. So these are the plans here, and you can here see the sales CRM pricing and packages. You have 3 packages, so like the Sell Premier, the Sell Advanced, and the Sell Essential. Each with their prices and their benefits. And if you scroll down, you can see like a comparison of the features of each plan here, and you can see some info, and some frequently asked questions here. Now you need to create an account here on this platform to use it. They give you like a number, a customer service number to call to get help and support, and you can also click here to log in if you already have an account, so like Sugar Market, Sugar Connect, Sugar Club, and Sugar Support, and so on. So here let's click on get a demo here. Now you can create an account and sign up with the platform here. And to request a demo, you enter your info here, so I'll enter it and like request the demo. Okay, and once I fill in all my details, they open this page here where they offer me like a video demo of the platform that I can watch, and here I can see all the resources. So here let's go back to the plans and the pricing here, or actually the solutions. So market automation, sales automation, on-premise CRM, and customer service. So let's click on customer service here. And for each service here, the page will open. You can get an overview of this service, and you can also get a demo or watch it right here. So let's go ahead and create an account. So I'll click here on login to like Sugar Market, for example. Okay, so here you enter your username, password, and your domain name to log in. Now here I open the pricing page again. Now let's say you wanna sell here, so you wanna like create a plan in the sales automation modern sales warrior. So here if I click on learn more here in the plan, you can see the different prices or different plans here. and you can contact sales for each one. So if you go ahead and contact sales, you can enter your information to get in touch with a Sugar rep. And once you enter all your details, you can click on contact us, and then you will contact the service reps or representatives, and they will get back to you with more info. So let's view some more info about this platform. So here you have services and support. So if we go to services, you have here like an overview of the services provided by this platform here. And you can view the product support, you can view the community, and so on. And if you click on Why Sugar, it'll open a page where like you can view like their achievements, their statistics, and some reviews here, and you can see it for yourself. You can click here and see the achievement for yourself. And here they promise you that you'll start seeing value immediately with the CRM platform that works out of the box, like Sugar CRM. And you can see the customers in high definition. You can imagine what you can achieve when seeing your customers in high definition, and so on. So here, let's see some of their partners. So if we click here on partners, you can log into their partner club or view like some of their partners here. If you scroll, you can see here elite reselling partners, their elite reselling partners, the advanced reselling partners, and the authorized reselling partners. And you can click here to see partners or apply now to become a partner. So we will click here to see their partners. Okay. Now we can see like a list of partners that they are partnered with here. So and you can always load more. Now here, let's go to the CRM solutions. If we click on each individual title here, you will get some more info about this title or this specific service that they provide. So if we go to the app marketplace, you can view here the different tools and apps and sites that you can integrate with Sugar CRM. Okay, so you can view here, they open a new site that's called Sugar Outfitters with the different add-ons and integrations. So here you can view, they have lots of plugins here that you can integrate or add-ons that you can integrate with Sugar CRM. So here that you can see this platform is really diverse, and they have lots of services and tools that you can use here as a CRM to further like make your business grow. So that was a quick overview of Sugar CRM platform and their different services.